Welcome to Bake and Cook with Passion. I'm making a carrot streusel loaf. Not banana, not zucchini. Yes, carrots. Maybe you have a few extra carrots in your kitchen. This would be the perfect recipe to use. The ingredients are listed at the bottom, or you can visit Bake and Cook with Passion for the written recipe. Now let's get started. We're going to take all of our dry ingredients, which will be our flour, our salt, our cinnamon, baking powder, ginger, and baking soda. And we're going to put them in a medium-sized bowl and mix them all together and set them aside. Now don't add the sugar. We're going to save that for later. Now take your freshly grated carrots and mix it into the flour mixture. You can also toss the carrots into the flour mixture using your hands. Once you're finished, just set the bowl aside. We'll come back to it later. Now you're going to use your mixer. Add the cream cheese to the bowl and cream it until fluffy. Once fluffy, add the sugar. And then you're going to add the eggs one at a time. Just to make sure it's nice and smooth, I'm going to stop and scrape the sides of the bowl and continue mixing. Now slowly add the oil while you are mixing. I'm going to be using grapeseed oil, but it's okay to use vegetable oil. Keep mixing and add the vanilla. Your wet ingredients will be ready when it is nice and smooth. Now add your dry ingredients, the flour and carrot mix, to your wet ingredients. Using a large spoon, gently fold the flour mixture into the wet ingredients. Add the batter to your prepared loaf pan. Set it aside and let's start with the streusel. You're going to add your flour, your sugar, that's white and brown, and salt. Mix ingredients together until well blended. Once it is blended, you're going to gradually add the melted butter. As you can see, I'm using a fork. It's what works for me. Once it is blended well, this is how it should look. Sprinkle the streusel mixture on top of your loaf batter. Bake at 350 for about an hour and 15 minutes. Your loaf should be done when the middle is puffy, or if you insert a toothpick in the middle, it comes out clean. Let it cool, slice, and eat. It is so delicious. I'm going to be using it in a fruit tray that I'm going to be serving later in the day. Thank you for watching Bake and Cook with Passion. Remember, like, share, and subscribe.